We're here at the Arc de Triomphe in Paris, where Wales face Northern Ireland on Saturday at Parc des Princes in the round of 16 at the UEFA Euro 2016 tournament. Wales topped Group B with a 3-0 win against Russia, with goals from Ramsey, Taylor and Bale, resulting in a final 16 spot at Parc des Princes. We're here to find you, the fans, our sea of red, and we want to hear from you, your opinion, your prediction and your preview.
Got to go out and put a big performance in like we did against Russia.
So exciting, and it's wonderful. Paris is so amazing. We love it.
Everything's brilliant. I mean, being here watching the game tomorrow, we can't wait.
It's just living the dream, isn't it? Out in the Ukraine, 500 of us, and now we're here.
I predict Wales are definitely going to win with 2-0. I'm going to go with Bale and Ramsey.
I think it's going to be very close and we will win on penalties.
Northern Ireland will pack it tight, but I think we will have the better of them. I think they'll win 3-1.
2-0, I reckon Bale will get one, maybe Williams.
Flat out Wales win, 2-0 all day long.
3-1 for me.
Say Wales 1-0 hopefully.
It's nice that we got Northern Ireland, nice to the fans.
Good luck to both teams, really.
Yeah.
And both sets of fans. They've been credit to everybody.
Really good atmosphere. It doesn't matter if you're in the ground or outside. We Welsh should be proud.
Together stronger!
Together stronger!